Now that you're all set up on Merchant Center, let's upload details about your products to show customers that you have what they're looking for. This is a very important step because having higher quality information about your products can help your ads be more relevant to shoppers. Keep your product data organized with a file called a feed in Google Merchant Center. This file contains all of the information about the products you sell. Your file should contain product attributes, which are details about your products that allow customers to search for and find your items. You have several options to upload your feed to Google Merchant Center: through an e-commerce platform, directly in Merchant Center, or using Google Sheets. If you're working with an e-commerce platform, you may have the option to seamlessly connect your products directly with Google Merchant Center. Your e-commerce platform should have step-by-step instructions if this is an option for you. If you only have a few products, or if you want to try smart shopping campaigns with your top products first, you can add your product details directly in Merchant Center. To do so, select Products from the navigation menu, then click on All Products. Click the plus button to add a product. Next, add in mandatory product details such as title, description, image, price, and more. Click Save. To upload a large amount of products all at once, you can set up your feed in Google Sheets. To start, go to Feeds under the Products section in Merchant Center. Click the plus button to create a new feed. Follow the prompts and provide information such as your country of sale and language. If it's your first time creating a feed, name your feed and select Google Sheets. Then click Continue. Select Generate a new Google spreadsheet from a template. This will create a brand new Google Sheet with the names of the required attributes along the first row. Next, open the file to add in all of your product information. Make sure to include all of the required attributes, or your ads won't serve. Required attributes vary by category and country, so refer to the product data specifications to see which are required for your business. Recommended attributes help to increase the chances that your products will be included in relevant results. Now, enter your products. Each item should be listed in a separate row, and its information divided into the appropriate columns. For example, an item's description should be in the same column as the description header. Keep in mind that your product data needs to meet Google standards for data quality and shopping ads policies, which are in place to help provide users with a great shopping experience. If you're submitting your items for the first time, it may take up to 3 business days for your items to be reviewed. To ensure your customers are seeing accurate ads, make sure to update your product information as often as you make changes to the products on your site. You must upload a new feed at least once every 30 days, or it will expire and your ads will stop showing. As you get more advanced, you may want to schedule automatic updates to ensure your products are always showing when customers are looking for them. Now that you've added your products to Merchant Center, stay tuned on how to create a shopping campaign in Google Ads.